All right, so next we have CPM, or cost per thousand. This means cost per thousand impressions. So basically, this is any ad platform that charges, instead of charging for clicks, PPC, pay per click, they're charging you for impressions. So they're saying it doesn't matter how many people click on your ad. If 1,000 people see it, we're going to charge you, let's say they're charging $1 CPM. That means that they're going to charge you $1 for every 1,000 people that saw the ad, whether anybody clicked on it or not. This is kind of the old method of advertising. Billboards, magazines, etc. They would charge per impression. So how many eyeballs are going to see this, and then for every 1,000, a lot of podcasts and radio, they do a similar thing too. So they charge by the CPM. Cost per 1,000 listeners, viewers, etc. The other way that you're going to see CPM show up inside of paid traffic platforms like AdWords and Bing is they're actually going to show you how much they're charging on average for certain keywords, certain placements on the display network, etc. So a good example of that is the CPM for a random topic that nobody cares about is going to be really, really low, because AdWords is basically like, hey, anybody who will buy this space, we'll give it to them. So the CPM might cost you, a penny per 1,000 people. But the CPM on, let's say, a legal advice website where the average client is worth tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars, the CPM that they're going to charge for you to show up on that website is going to be much higher. So it might be $100 CPM. So for every 100 or every 1,000 people that see your ad, then it's going to be $100. So that's cost per 1,000, or CPM. It's usually a more advanced bidding strategy. You usually want to start out with CPC, cost per click.